Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you a simple way how you can add buttons in 3dcart. So when you're going to launch Page Editor, you will get here in Page Editor, and you simply want to just click plus, more, and buttons. You have options to choose multiple buttons from 3dcart. Like, I don't know, I'm going to choose this one here or this one, right? So, and what you can do, how you can edit it. The first thing I recommend is going right up, and you can change it to center it to the middle, left, right. Then you can change the link, like where do you want to insert it, like open a new window or the URL for the product or whatever. Then you can make it like this. You can also add icon here if you want to, but I wanted to add it here. Then you can add also drag the picture. Or you can change the attributes, like changing the font size. Now it's bugging out. Okay. And I just closed it. Damn nice. So again, plus, more, buttons, click button here. Center it to the right. And yeah, then what you can do also is when you're going to click on settings, you can change the spacing, the border, the text, if you have it, and that's pretty much it. So this is how you can add button in 3dcart. Thank you very much everybody, have a great day and goodbye.